salesman or the salesperson. We remember a salesman by somebody who called us disgustingly, keeps calling us or keeps knocking our door, keeps ringing our bell and tries to sell something. That is how we see the salesman as. But do you really think the existence of ours, the existence of this world, the existence of any business is possible without a salesman, without a salesperson? Even the existence of God himself is because of a salesman. Somebody was successful in making a sale to us about the existence of God, is how we believe that God exists. There was some great salesperson who made us believe that God exists, and that is how we believe that God exists. If there was no salesperson, we would not have had a God. We would not have known about the existence of God. So even God needed a salesman. Any big nation, any big business, no matter big or small, actually a small business or a big business needs a salesperson. She needs a salesman to be successful, needs a salesman to grow a excellent product, a wonderful product in the hands of a poor salesman won't generate sales. But an average product in the hands of a great salesman can reach limits, can reach to great heights. So it's the salesman who is actually building the economy. It's the salesman who is making this earth a better place to live. It is the salesman who is making businesses grow. It is the salesman who is doing everything on this earth to help others survive and live an easy and wonderful life. If the salesmen stop doing their duty, if the salesmen stop selling, this world would not be as wonderful a place to live in as it is today. If the salesmen stop doing their job, it will not be a good place to be. But what? But still, we feel afraid of the word salesman. We feel so bad and so disgusting about this word salesman, salesperson, that we never want to be called to be a salesman. These salesmen are doing such a great duty, are performing such a wonderful job for the nation, for the business, for the country. Still, we do not want to be called as a salesman. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Why are salesmen being seen as somebody who was not desirable? They are the most undesirable people around. Why is that? They should be the most desirable people in any place, in any meeting, because they are the ones that is paying you your salary, that they are the ones who is paying or who is giving you money in your pocket, who is giving you the products in your pocket, and who is also giving the money in your pocket. If the businesses stop making sales, how would they pay the salaries? How would they pay the salaries? And if they stop paying the salaries, how would you buy anything? How would you buy anything? So the entire cycle gets stopped functioning if there is no salesman around. So do not feel bad about this word. Be very confident and feel strong about being a salesman. And yes, perform strongly. And most of the people feel bad about this word because they come across a poorly trained salesman. Most of the people come around some shady salesman, and that is what gives a bad name to the word salesman. So if you want to be a great salesman, you need to upskill yourself, you need to train yourself, and you can be that great salesman that everybody wants. There is a great shortage to great salesmen, wonderful salesmen who lead the world, who lead the business, and you surely want to be one of those. Wish you all the very best.